Hello everyone! Today I'm taking a virtual reality trip to a couple of places I've wanted to visit. Because of the COVID pandemic, it's been really impossible to travel the way we used to, and I still have some places on my bucket list, so I decided to buy an Oculus Quest VR headset, not just for the virtual travel, but also for some exercise and entertainment for the family. If you're not familiar with a VR headset, it looks like this. And when you put it on, you see a screen that is 360 degrees around you as you turn your head. It is very immersive. You feel as if you're actually there. If you're not familiar with the Oculus Quest VR headset, or any VR headset, I'll make a video to review the headset in the future, but for now, let's just have some fun and go traveling. Today is a lazy Sunday. It's 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so I decided to explore what the YouTube VR app has to offer. There are other apps you can use on the Oculus Quest to travel, such as Wander and National Geographic Explore VR, but the YouTube VR app is free, so let's have a look to see what it offers. I bought the Wander app, so I'll review that in a future video. Once you put the headset on, you will see the home screen environment, and if you scroll down, you will see apps you can choose from. Here we have Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, lots of apps to choose from, but I want an app I've already installed called YouTube VR. So using my controller, I go to the apps, and then here you can see the apps I've installed on the Oculus: Fit XR, Beat Saber, Wander, and here is YouTube VR. So I'm going to select that, and then at the top I choose 360, and now YouTube gives me some recommended choices to pick from. None of these choices really interest me, so let's go to the top and click on the search tool, and I'm going to start with a familiar place, Venice, Italy. You can type or you can click on the microphone and say where you want to go. It has speech recognition built in. Alright, here we go, Venice, Italy. Some of these choices are not 360, so to filter out only the 360 search results, click here where it says 360. And let's choose this one for Venice in 4K. This video is posted by an account named Scijic Travel, and it does a good job narrating and showing the important sights of Venice. Here is the Rialto Market. And as I turn my head with the headset on, I can see all around me. You can't walk anywhere you want, only where the camera goes, but you can look around in 360 degrees. Some of the apps you can buy from Oculus allow you to teleport to different areas to explore some more. But when you're watching a YouTube 360 degree video, you have to follow the person holding the camera. You can, however, look all around since the camera is not just pointing forward. The camera is filming all around you in 360 degrees. It's pretty cool. When I was done with Venice, I decided to visit Petra, Jordan. I've always wanted to go there, so let's have a look. This video is produced by Pano, and I found a lot of this creator's videos to be very good. Actually, both the photography and the narration was, I would say, excellent. As I panned around Petra, I realized this was probably filmed from a drone, and when I looked down, I did get a bit dizzy. Here we get back down on the ground, and the video is just spectacular. You really feel as if you're there when you watch this in a VR headset. Now, you're not watching this in 360, so you can't really appreciate what this feels like until you see it in a 360 headset. Just incredible. When the Petra video was finished playing, YouTube gave me a list of recommended choices, and I decided I'd like to visit Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's highest waterfall. This one is in 8K and, of course, 360 degrees. A quick commercial, and here's the video, also by Pano, and also well done. Back to the search screen, here's a music video. Just out of curiosity, I clicked on it, and I found myself inside someone's recording studio. Not exactly what I was interested in, so I clicked out. Dreams of Dolly popped up, so I had a quick look around at that, and again, not exactly what I had in mind. Let's look at some other choices. I think a VR roller coaster ride will make me really, really dizzy. So let's go for a walk in New York City. And here we are on the streets of New York, following the person holding the camera, but still able to look all around and take in the sights. This was filmed in the evening, so it's a bit dark, but you get the feel of walking around New York City. I was curious to see who was holding the camera, and here he is. So wherever he goes, we go. Here's something that looks interesting. Shark attack. Let's have a look. Okay, this doesn't look real. Enough of that. Let's see, where should we go next? Hey, how about London? And here we have another commercial. That's fine, it's a free app, so you have to expect some ads. And just like on a regular YouTube platform, you can click on skip ads after a couple of seconds. Here we have Air Pano again. This creator is really good, seems to get around quite a bit. Ah, here is the guy holding the camera. It's always fun to look around for him. Here we are on a double-decker bus in London and on a ferry. This guy is really taking us all around London to see the sights. And in a 360-degree VR headset, you really feel like you're there. By now I had visited Venice, Petra, Venezuela, New York City, and London. One more place to visit, and that is the glass bridge in Zhangjiajie, China. Hope I said that right. First, the obligatory commercial, skip, and here's the famous glass bridge in the Hunan province. This is really very dizzying to look at in a 360-degree headset. You actually feel as though you are soaring above the bridge, breathtaking and a little scary. Back down on the ground, we get to visit one of the parks in China. Again, the scenery is just beautiful. So that's a sneak peek at some travel sites we hope to visit in the near future once this pandemic is over. Until then, I'm enjoying the world through VR lenses. And I really appreciate the time people took to film and upload these beautiful places. I'll review the pros and cons of the Oculus Quest 2 headset in a future video. If you're interested, please subscribe so that you're notified when I upload my latest video. And thank you for watching. Bye!